So I have the key fob to the 2021 Kia K5 GT, and I'm going to showcase how you can swap out the battery in it should it go dead. So first off, grab your key fob, locate the side with all the buttons. You're going to be pushing this little tab all the way at the bottom below the horn button. You put your fingernail in there, and it's a lot easier if you have a key ring. You're going to be pulling it to release the manual key that's hidden in here. So put your fingernail in there and pull. There's your manual key. Now it's kind of hard because these are black key fobs. They don't really show really good on the camera, but you're gonna take your manual key, slide it right at the top. There's a spot. I'm gonna kind of show it on the camera as best as I can. I recommend you slide it in that spot and you twist to the right. And what you're gonna be doing is popping this bottom piece that does not say Kia out. So just twist. There you go. You're going to be splitting it into two pieces. Once you get it started, you can kind of use your fingers to take it the rest of the way. That reveals the battery on this side right here. So you can use your fingers, you can use the key, a little screwdriver, pop this thing out. And then since I do not have to swap out my battery, I'm not going to pop it out. But basically do the reverse of what you just did to get it back together. Clamshell it back up. I always try to warn, try not to hit this button when you're clamming it back together because you're going to irritate your neighbors. You hear a series of audible clicks. That's when you know you're all done. Slide your manual key back in, and you are good to go. I will put a link in the description for the battery should you need one. Thanks for watching.